Hello. So now let's solve the QBP binomial using a different technique, no? For example, meron tayong 2x plus 3y raised to 3. Alright? So yung unang ipiprepare natin will be the square of your first term and your second term. So yung square ng 2x ay 4x squared. At yung square ng 3y naman ay 9y squared. So since cube ito, so you expect natin that you will produce here 4 terms. Kasi binomial, tapos raise mo sa 3, you will produce 4 terms. Yung first term natin will always be the cube of your first term here. So yung cube ng 2x ay 8x cubed. And yung middle term nyo naman will be, ito yung mga middle terms natin, 3 times ito. So ito yung loop na susundan natin. Okay? So 3 times 4x squared times 3y. So that would be 3 times 4 times 3. So 3 times 4, that's 12 times 3, 36. So you will have here 36x squared y. Okay? Kasi ito yung mga ating mga coefficients. And then yung third term natin, ito yung magiging pattern. Okay, it looks like that, no? 3 times 9y squared times 2x. Kaya magkakaroon tayo ng 3 times 9, that's 27, times 2, 54, xy squared. So plus 54, xy squared. And finally, yung last term natin dito will be the cube of your second term here do sa binomial natin. So the cube of 3y, so that's 3y raised to 3. So 3 cubed, that's equal to 27 y cubed. Okay, so this is then the expansion of our 2x plus 3y raised to 3 using this kind of method. So let's have another example. Suppose I have here x minus 2y squared raised to 3. Again, apat na terms. Yung first term natin, cube ng first term dito. So that will become x cubed. Now, yung ating mga ipiprepare dito will be the square of your first term, x squared. At saka yung square ng 2y squared, that is equal to 4y to the fourth. Okay? So, paano yung mga dalawang middle terms natin will be, ito yung first loop natin again. So, ganun siya. 3x squared, kasi 3 times x squared times 2y squared. So, you'll have then 3 times 1 times negative 2. That's why here you will have here negative 6 x squared, y squared. Tapos, yung sa third term natin, ito naman ang loop. Okay, 3 times 4y squared times x. Kaya 3 times 4, that's 12, xy to the fourth. So, plus tayo ngayon. Okay, plus 12, xy to the fourth. And then yung last term natin, cube ng negative 2y squared. So, negative 2 cube, that will become negative 8. No? Kasi negative 2 times negative 2, positive 4 times negative 2, negative 8. Okay, negative 8. Y squared, pag na-raise mo sa 3, that will become y to the 6. Okay, so ito ngayon ang ating binomial na nag-expand na to the third power or the cube of binomial. Okay, that's all. Thank you.